A 30-second video can make you go viral. It can change your life or it can ruin your life. Okay? You can end up a millionaire in overnight, or you may lose your job, your dignity, your peace over a viral video. So virality has got its own advantages and has its own disadvantages. But are you ready for it? Are you ready for what's coming after you go viral? Are you ready? So this video, I'm going to talk about some of the things that you have to be careful about, that you be ready for when you go viral. It all starts by just pressing record and just sending that video on the WhatsApp group, and that's you gone. You don't know what's going to happen to that video. So we need to be very careful, right? Every content creator is waiting for that viral moment when their video goes viral. It's an exciting time, but there are things that people don't talk about. There are risks associated with going viral, especially if you were not careful what you've put in your video. And you lose track or control over who comments, or where the video goes, or what they say. You have no control over that. People comment whichever way they want. They may misquote you because it's a video. You're not there to defend yourself. People will just interpret it the way they want. Okay? Now, it has gone viral, and sometimes when people record, they're not careful what they put in the video. People start digging about your private life. They want to find out, who are you? Maybe that's not the reason why you were on social media, but now because you are going viral by mistake, now they want to know, who is she? Is she married? Where does she work? Who is the employer? All that. The life that was private, that you didn't want to come public, people start digging and they start bringing it on the social media spaces. If we're not careful what you put in your video, you spoke about people's names in there, organizations, everything that is confidential that you were not meant to mention. Now, people are now starting to take legal action against you because they figured out that you've put something in your video which is not good for their image, for their organization. So what does it teach you? You need to be careful what you put in your videos. Before you even click the record button, think. Don't put anyone's name in there. Don't put any organization's name there. Don't put any information that can, when people try to trace, they find that there are some faults you've been talking about other people. Never do that. It should be about you and you alone. Or if you say something, don't mention names. Going viral attracts bullies, right? People start coming to troll you. If you were not ready for that, you may end up leaving the social media space. Okay, if you had come on social media to make money and then you go viral too quickly, you may end up deciding to quit. But that will be your moment to use it, to use that virality to advantage. There are advantages to it as well. That, okay, people start following you, okay, but they'll be expecting you to be producing maybe more of that type of content. But if it was not the type of content that you would come on social media to do, then you find that you start producing content which you're not passionate about, and later on you get stuck. You're running out of content, you don't know what to say next. But there's a positive to it, okay? You get people following you, and some people actually go viral, and then that's when they discover their niche. But I don't know who, if there's anyone who has gone viral that way and they continued in that niche that made them go viral, I would want them to comment in the comment section so that we would know that going viral can also help you find a niche. Okay, but the most important thing that I recorded this video for is for privacy, confidentiality. Never mention people's names. The minute you just click the record button, your organization has nothing to do with it. Your friends, nothing to do with it. No family members, nothing to do with it. Social media should be you and only you alone. If you've decided to talk about people, don't mention their names. Tell it as a story without mentioning names or any clues that will make people track who you're actually trying to talk about. Don't do that. Sudden fame causes anxiety, depression. Can you imagine every time you go on the social media spaces, people are criticizing you, people are picking on things that you never thought people are going to pick on, but they're busy talking about that. Are you able to handle that? Are you ready for it? So you may get stuck with that identity of what is going viral. If it was a bad thing, people will be stuck with that. Oh, it is that lady who was naked. Oh, is that lady about the nudes? Remember, we talk about people who gone viral. Always we mention how did they go viral? Or because there was a leaked tape. We saw her nudes on the social media space. We saw this. That's what made you go viral. So that thing will remain and you'll be identified as that. Right? You'll be identified as the lady who was naked on the social media spaces. You don't know her. She's that lady with the video. She was caught on the act. She's that lady. So make sure the videos that are going viral, if you have control over them, check them. But majority of those ones are the ones that were recorded in private, which you don't have control over. But unfortunately, you're going to be stuck with that narrative. People know you as that thing that is going viral about. I went viral on the social media spaces on TikTok. But when I went viral on TikTok, I was talking about things that I love the most. Dating. I gave my opinion on relationships and dating. And that video went viral. Why? People were dragging me on the social media streets. They were brutal. I think I made 10,000 plus comments. I put that video on, I logged it. I hid it. And when I brought it back, the trolls were waiting for me. But I was ready for them. The first time I was like, oh, I panicked because I grew from 16,000 people to 120,000 in 6 weeks. I was like, wow, this, okay. But then because I had done my social media training and all that, when I took that video down, I was thinking, I was going through the comments and all that, and I started producing videos, responding to people's comments, and I blew up, right? But it was in the right direction of what I do, dating, relationships, which was good for me. And I'm known as that, though I also post other things about my lifestyle, but not my relationship. Okay, so I hope this video helped one or two people that when you go viral, when you press the record button on your phone, remember that video can go viral. And when it goes viral, you have no control over comments, over the narrative. People can interpret it the way they want. People will start finding faults if they want. You can be sued through a video that you've done. You did it thinking, oh, it's a good video, but people will sue you. Will sue you. People will go through the video to see, is there anything, especially if you've got people who hate you that much, is there anything that she's said that is against something, or she's mentioned someone's name, so that we can make up a case against her. So always remember, it's not about people. Don't mention names, okay? Even praising them, sometimes don't. It's not worth it. Sometimes don't. That's why sometimes in my videos I'm very careful mentioning people's names. Even my own siblings, people who are close to me, I don't, because the story is about me. People can interpret a praise wrongly. I don't like what you said there. I don't like what you said. So let's be careful, because a viral video can make you famous, but it can also break you. Are you ready for it? I hope this video helps. You take it, guys, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.